Hey, what's up everybody? Chris Outers, SlungerCat Outdoors. We're back out here on the high river, gonna do a little dragging this evening. Got old Red with me. It's later in the afternoon. We're gonna fish probably till about midnight. So we're gonna hit the middle of the river, get some baits out, and see what we can do. Let's get to it.
Every day I walk the floor and think of you.
Red, what are you doing?
Getting the dragon rig ready.
Looks like you got a bird's nest.
I like it like this.
Yeah? Makes it interesting.
It does.
Take that gizzard shad and just cut her in half. Got a couple small pieces. That moon eye. Just gonna fillet a little bit off the back side here. Just clip her like that. That's bigger one. I'm gonna chunk it up. And cut a couple. Yeah, that bigger one's one red caught. We got a nice little variety, and we got some live bluegill in the tank that we'll use as well. Man, look at that.
That's what I was hoping.
All right, folks, we have been dragging for way too long. Not really sure what we're gonna do now, but we're gonna reel up. This is our second spot. Now, we've drug a long ways down through here, drug a long ways at our first spot, and it's time to try something different. So let's go try to find some more fish, get these reeled in. All right, so we are marking a bunch of bait, as you guys can see right in here. All that fuzziness, all that's bait. And we are up, this is the main channel. We're up on a secondary flat, or secondary channel. Not secondary channel, but secondary flat right here. So we're just gonna keep dragging this. You can see all that is just bait. Marked a few fish up here, but still not marking a bunch of stuff, but we're gonna give it a try and see if we can't put a fish in the boat for you guys. There he is, Red. Got him, son.
First one of the day.
First one of the day. We've been at it for like 4 hours. You still got him?
Yeah.
Don't lose him.
Oh, it's a done deal.
It's a done deal. We worked hard for this one, Red. Do I need to get the net? I feel like I should get the net just to be getting the net.
We brought it. No, get that light down there.
Get that light.
Get him stirred up.
Let's get him stirred up a little bit. Look at the menace. Well, that high vis yellow rod sure does glow at night, doesn't it?
Yeah, you can see it easy. You want to fill it?
That's a nice fish. Look at him dig. Nice little flatty. Whoo! Come on, that moon eye we caught fresh last night, didn't it?
I think that's one of the bigger ones I caught.
Is that one of the bigger ones you caught? Come here. Oh no. Nice fish. Hey, look at the spawn marks on his head.
Yep. That's a good hook set right there.
Oh, like a pro, son. That's probably about a 15.
Yeah, I'd say 15. A couple leeches on him.
Look at his head. He's healing up, isn't he?
Yeah.
Skinny, isn't he?
Muddy.
Yeah. Get him back. Got old split whisker on him. Look at that.
Yeah, he does.
Oh, that's got three.
That's got three.
That's pretty cool. Whoo, he going. Hey,
At least we're not didn't get skunked.
we didn't get skunked, did we?
I mean, I knew I could.
Whole moon eye. Oh, that was a little moon eye. Let me set bait. All right. This right here is what he caught that on. That's moon eye. We caught that fresh last night. He didn't catch that one. That was a little one. I must have caught that.
Dang, man, that hit.
He smoked it.
Yeah, he did. Yeah, he did.
We didn't even get all the rods out.
No.
See what we got. We're ready
I
to put
guarantee
it up.
it's the biggest one of the night.
Biggest one of the night. I guarantee it.
Wasn't out there 30 seconds.
Remember what it was?
Bluegill, live bluegill.
Was that live bluegill? Got loosened up. I think I'm gonna get the net on this one.
Oh, Lord.
Red, I'm glad we decided to come up here and fish a barge.
Yeah.
He doesn't like it light, does he?
No, he don't.
Oh, buddy. Hold on, take it up. That's a dandy right there. Boom, baby. Oh, what a stud, brother.
30s.
All right, folks, so I apologize for not having the chest camera on that one.
First timer.
That was a rookie mistake, but we literally just rolled up on this barge and Red just threw it out. I had shut my chest camera off coming up the river, but that joker hit like really quick, mid-30s pound flathead. So we did get a little bit of footage off the back camera. But yeah, maybe that's a little bit of a change of pace to what's coming. Maybe it's just a night bite. I don't know. We're gonna continue to fish this barge a little bit longer and see what happens. That's 2 flatheads that we've caught, spot locked or anchored, whichever one you call it. And both of them have been pretty decent. That one come off live bluegill. What'd your other one come off of? Moon eye, wasn't it? Moon eye. So let's keep after it.
Soul searching, fall apart, tunnel